Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the first lock update in a long time. It's not really a lock update, but it is my 1 year retwist. We hit 1 year on April 27th, and I retwisted my hair about 3 days prior to that. So this is just me showing you guys what I do to retwist my hair. I did just freshly dye my hair, so I'll put a clip of when I started my locks, but this is a fresh dye touch up, so here we go. First, you want to get a scrunchie to section off your hair. I did already finish one side of my hair. I normally retwist my hair. I used to do it from back to front, but now I split it down the middle and do one side, and so on and so forth. So I use this African Pride Black Castor Oil gel and get some clips. I have long clips, double prong clips, and single prong clips, whatever you prefer. I use a rat tail comb to separate my hair. And my hair is damp, so, I like to do my retwist on damp hair. Even when I do my client's hair, I always spritz their hair prior to putting any product on it. So I'm going to keep all this in real time so you guys know exactly how long it takes me. I don't show myself retwisting my whole side, but just so you guys can get the gist of it. So I make sure I part and separate and then comb through at the roots. And then I twist. I'm trying to think. I twist clockwise, which is what you guys see here. I don't really palm roll my hair. I don't feel like it's long enough really to be palm rolled. So I do just twist at the root, twist any loose hair around down my lock, and then clip it. This retwist was super cute. It lasted me mainly because I actually styled my hair after my retwist. You guys don't see that on here, but I did style it because I went on the trip. Twist at the root. I normally try to do 2 locks to a clip if possible. 3. I don't have very small locks. So, I don't have large locks, but I don't have like micro locks or anything. So, I try to get them comfortably 2 to a clip, 2 or 3 to a clip, just so it's not too bulky. And eventually, like as I get further away from the bag, as my hair starts to dry, I remove my clips, mainly because the it's not pomade, but the gel, little pomade that I use to retwist my hair mostly, it stays pretty quick. So I don't really have to keep the clips on for too long, especially because my hair isn't drenched when I actually do it. It's just like a mist over top with the water. I'm sorry about this clip. You guys are going to see me like separating these two back here, but I don't like actually turn my body so you guys can see like too great. Like you can see, but you can't like see, if you know what I mean. But I try to get it so you guys can see it. Yeah, like right here. I'm sorry, you guys literally can't see anything. Look at the length, baby. Yeah, I know if y'all were here when I started my locks, we have came a long way, honey. Especially because, when you start your locks, your hair shrinks up on itself. It's a big freaking difference we are now. Look at my little babies, my little babies. We're back. I'm back. We're at the front now, so you guys can actually see. I did just separate these two in the front. Normally, I do like a whole row and then, work my way up, but I just wanted you guys to actually see the front, as I'm going through it. So I just figured I would do it this way for you guys. When I get to the front, the product that I use is pretty much like a gel, like pomade. It's like edge control texture. So I try to lay my edges down while I'm actually doing the twist and make sure I get all of it in there. So that way nothing is like too crazy or too wild. If I'm breathing hard in the phone, my bad, y'all. Make sure my part's kind of cute. I don't really have particularly specific parts. I don't know if that's the right word. Like, they're not necessarily like perfect squares. They're not necessarily perfect rectangles. I just parted them how I felt like I would like them to look and to lay. So that's pretty much how I parted them when I started them. And like on the right side of my head, this is the left side that we're looking at, but on the right side of my head, I literally have like a whole, like a half a row extra than I do on the left side of my head. I'm gagged. My hair's long. Wow. Wow. You guys hear the boys in the back whining. They're in their room for bed. Just disregard. Let's make sure that's smooth. A fresh retwist on blonde hair really has you looking like you don't have no scalp. I mean, you're all scalp. You don't have no roots. That's what it be giving. I want to say I didn't do any more on camera, but I actually don't remember. I don't think I did. Oh, I guess I did. All right, I'm going to get off of here now.